Why is that showing Minecraft first of all? Okay, fixed. Alright, first of all, as always, let's open the chat on my phone. So, I originally was going to start this at 8, but, well, it's 9 now. So, we will just quickly post these two announcements, just, yeah. Okay. Chat open. Cool. So, I've already started on the shop. I'll quickly show you what I've got already. Oh fuck, I don't want to do that. So I've already got the categories done, and you can already buy items. And I don't know how people are going to feel about this, but the way I've done buying multiple items is you click this and you scroll through how many you're buying. I mean, I imagine a lot of people probably won't like that, but hey, we'll see. We'll see if people like it or not, I guess. I'm just gonna quickly check Discord and do not disturb, just for when I get messages. Don't want them popping up. And why does that say -1? That's fucking weird. In fact, why is it saying error at all? Let's quickly fix that, shall we? Hey. Now we'll do it after we've already defined this. Okay, cool. Simple fix. So I'm gonna get the selling done, and then I'll start on the whole fluctuation thing. So left click will be buy and right click will be sell. So if shop.cancel, right? Yep. MD so and A is the selection from the paper thing at the top. So this is the A variable. I should probably just make a method for selling. Don't name variables with one letter. I mean, I don't know. I haven't been doing it as much lately, but I still do it sometimes because it's just easier to type like one letter than 10. Now we'll do item stack. Oh well, it's too late now. Yep. Oh well. So I guess when we're doing the sell method, we should probably just assume that they can already sell it. Nah, we won't assume that they can sell it. Should I do this in the user class rather than the shop class? Huh. I don't know. I don't know. Should I do it in... Ah, fuck it. I'll code it in here. So, do I assume that they can already... Yeah, I've got to assume that they've already done the checks. Okay, so I'm literally just doing... cell.get item.get type .toString plus item.get durability. I can just do it solar. What? Why did none of the methods come up for that? Did I not initialize it? Oh, I don't even have it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to change a few methods over there then. Solar.eco.deposit player. Shit, I don't even have a player method in here. Nah, fuck it. Just for that reason, I'm gonna do it in the user method. It makes more sense, I think. Do I even bother? I'm not even gonna bother fucking doing it in a class, man. I'm just gonna make it in the actual GUI. There's no point. So, and I'm just gonna fucking remove that whole solar instance quick as well, just so I ain't gotta edit all the times that I call the shop thing. Not that it should be many. And what's this error in here? Oh, I just fixed that. But it's still showing as an error. Oh, because I didn't close it from the error. Okay, cool. So, oh, fuck off. Alright. Yes, this is a left click, so we're gonna want to do, before we even do worth, for item stack I in p.get inventory. I'm gonna need that. Imagine having to save your class. What? Don't tell me you're another one of these people trying to tell me to fucking install IntelliJ or something. I'm fed up of it, honestly. What's the fucking point? If I.get type equals m and I.get durability equals d, and I'm gonna have to cast integer to that durability bit. And why the fuck's it done that, man? Fuck off. Just gay that you have to save it yourself. Why though? It makes sense. And what the fuck's gone on here? Are you retarded or what? I probably can't say that word on stream, can I? Oops. Ah well. Do I not have to cast? I'm gonna cast it anyway. Just because I feel like I should. Doesn't lol. Doesn't what? int amount equals 0. We'll say count instead of amount because I already got amount set as a hash map. If so, count plus equal, I don't get amount. If count greater than or equal to a, else call.message solar prefix. Sorry, but you don't have Hello, how long have you been doing programming? Almost 2 years. It just doesn't make sense that you have to save it. Why doesn't it? That makes sense to me. Like, I'm confused by that. I'm gonna quickly read that message because it's regarding stuff. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly read through all this shit. What? Yeah, that's a lot bigger fucking project than I thought it was gonna be. Do you use args.length equals? Depends on what I'm doing really. Because it takes so long. What takes so long? Well, like it takes a long time for it to run that. I'll check my screen back on. Sorry, but you don't have that. What do you mean depends? Well, give me an example and I'll tell you if I what do you mean? I'm confused what you mean exactly. Do I use args.length equals, but in what example would I use that? Like, fuck m.toString.to lowercase, and I just want to do a check if a equals 0, else oh shit, I had the wrong thing copied. What do you mean it depends? No, you just said that. He doesn't like that you don't do the same thing that he does apparently. What? That should work. Count's greater than or equal to a. I haven't finished it, but I'd like to say that it's kind of functional. I mean, it doesn't save anything, but literally, right? I don't see why everyone tells me to use IntelliJ. From where I'm standing, there's literally nothing wrong with Eclipse whatsoever. I know, right, RT? I should probably just call you retweets. Like, fucking... It kind of gets annoying, honestly, the amount of people that tell me to just use IntelliJ or use Visual Studio. Like, I've used Eclipse for almost 2 years. I'm used to it. Why am I going to force myself to learn something new? It's pretty stupid to me. Like, honestly, today alone I've probably had half a dozen people telling me to switch. The funny thing is, everyone says it sucks, but people can never really tell me why it sucks. Okay, maybe people can give okay, apparently Visual Studio or IntelliJ builds your project quicker, but that doesn't make a difference to me. I mean, look, I can export this now in half a second. Done. Like, that's not slow. What's wrong with that? Like, seriously, I don't get it. Anyway, back on track, so... Actually, shit, I've just realised I don't want to... Wait, no, is D an int? Oh yeah, it is, okay. It doesn't suck, but IntelliJ is better. Here's the thing, right? It does everything I need it to do. Here's my main question. What can IntelliJ do that Eclipse can't do? What makes IntelliJ worth switching to? Like... To be honest, I think it'd get kind of annoying if things auto-saved. Depends on the context. Obviously you can still undo, right? But I like the confirmation where now, look, if I try and close it, like, it gives me the option to cancel it. You have better optimization and faster building. Also save you can create build auto path folder to upload. It's better, you need to try it. I've tried it and I couldn't get it. It pissed me off. And I literally just showed you, look, I'll show you again, right? Look how quickly I can build a project. Done. Like, it took not even a second. What, are you going to tell me IntelliJ can do it in half a second? Oh no, I save half a second. It doesn't matter. It's no different, really, is it? I don't get it. I don't get, like, why does IntelliJ have so many fanboys? Seriously. Anyway, I keep getting distracted. Now I keep forgetting what I'm fucking doing. That's everything, right? Just to sell the item. Oh, you know what? I can figure out. Fuck it. There's an easy way to test it. Spotify got my location wrong. People who want others to use IntelliJ like 12-year-olds and Justin Bieber. Until you like him too, they won't stop. Yeah, for real. Seems that way. Alright, cool, that doesn't work. Error or what? Yeah. Error on 250, eh? Why does that return null? I is current item, right? No, it's not. Okay. Wait, where was I on about? Oh, shit. No, it's exactly what I want it to be. So why does that give a null? Oh, fuck, 'cause I don't check if it's null. Fucking idiot. Cool. Give that a shot. It's just laziness. I can type one character instead of 10. Okay, how about now then? Am I getting money? I am. And what if I don't have any of the item? Why does that do this? It should only do that if the thing isn't 0. But that's stupid. Why does it fuck that up? Any ideas on that? And what if I try and sell something I can't sell? Does it just give an error or what? Okay, well I should add a message to that. Fuck's sake. Oh shit, 'cause I put A, not D. That's fucking twat. I'm just gonna put this, copy this. Sorry, but you cannot sell. Cool. Let's just do this again. And then let's stop that looking so retarded, because it looks pretty stupid like that. Never seen you before, I don't think. No, you just joined. Ow. What if I try and sell 4 items? So this should give me 160. I need to switch account next time I restart the server, because I'm so used to typing asking, not fucking Stardog. Okay, it gave me the right amount. And does it take the items? It does. And what if I can't got enough items? Cool, that's good. And what if I have the exact amount of items? Perfect. Alright, so that seems to work. Can you build? That's the main question. Why did I replace that? And why did I break it again? Oh yeah, I coded this off stream. I made the whole, I made a schematic option. What else did I do off stream? I think I did other things as well. Asking just make it so you can choose. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Huh? The IP is literally on my server list. That I'm not a cutie, mate. Just make it so you can choose many items by middle click. What do you mean? Do you mean like sell all of your items with the middle click? Because if so, I was already planning that anyway. What the fuck did I do there? How many? So you can choose how many items by middle clicking the item you buy. Huh? I might... So do you mean how what most servers do, where you click it and then it brings up like a whole... I'll show you an example, kind of. So this isn't exactly what I mean. Oh, fuck. I'm just gonna hop onto my other account quick. But you mean like you just... It opens a second GUI when you click the item, and then you click like... You add or subtract the amount you want to buy, right? That's what you mean. No? I'm gonna need a better explanation of what you mean then. Oh. Is Minecraft gonna open or what? Well, yes, but not opening a GUI. So how then? Or do you mean like you type it in chat? So like I'd click it and then type in chat how many I want to buy. Is that what you mean? Something like that. Well, I'll show you what I thought you meant. I thought you meant like my own panel A. So like something like this, so you can like add how many you're buying. Obviously this is not an exact example, but that's what I thought you meant. No, like the paper, but you do it where the item is located. Oh. Oh shit, I didn't think of that. SK Mind. Simple fix. I'm gonna make it so that you can't sell custom items, or anything that has a name or a lore. Partly to make it so that you can't accidentally sell something that's custom a custom item. Need admins. That's a big shout, mate. So if has item meter and I.get item that has display name, or I.get item meter that has law. Continue. Okay, should fix that. So you're suggesting that the middle click should do the same thing that the paper does, but what about a sell all option? You're not asking much, are you? That's the only problem there, mate. I don't know you, so that's a bit of a far shout, isn't it? Anyways, I'm gonna what? Sell all with shift. Oh yeah, I could do that. I'm gonna still keep the paper there because that gives you a way to actually see what point you're on. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it as the paper, honestly. I'm just gonna keep it as the paper because, you know. I can always change it later. I'm just kind of trying to get it set up to a functional point right now, so you know, yeah. I'm just gonna copy that. So I might as well just remove it from the inventory here. P.get inventory dot remove item. Nah, that might get a bit that might fuck about a bit, won't it? I'll do it a different way. For int x equals 0, x is less than 36. That'll loop through the whole player's inventory, right? Or is the hotbar and their inventory two separate things? I actually don't know, you know. I wonder, do any of you know that? If I... Ah, fuck it, I'm just gonna do it, and if it gives an error, it gives an error. I should probably save that inventory as a variable. How do I get it as an actual inventory and not as an inventory? What's this again? Play inventory. Fuck it, we'll just do that. Can I have whole code, please? What do you mean? Yeah, I'm not giving it out. I mean, you can... it's not an open source plugin, but I'm coding it for my server, so you know. I don't know, I might put it on my GitHub at some point, but I'm not really planning on it. If I shut my server down one day, then yeah, I'll throw it on my GitHub, but I'm not putting it on my GitHub when my server's still out, because that just means that people can easily copy my server. How much do I want? What? You realise that this is coded specifically for one server. You're not going to be able to change any messages or anything, right? Personally, I think that you're kind of a fool to buy it, honestly. Because you can't customize anything for it, and I'm not fucking going to sit here for 4 hours and make all the messages and everything customizable. Fuck that. No, I'm just going to copy the right message. Make I will pay 70. What? I mean, sure, you can have the code for fucking 70, but you realise, as I've said, it's coded literally for one server. Oh shit. That. Wheeler do face cam. I don't know, mate. I'm gonna do it someday, but God knows when. Asking isn't even that good of a dev. I don't claim to be good. I can get done what I need to get done. That's what counts. Retweets. To be fair to him, there is quite a bit wrong with it in the terms of like, for example, if I dropped this project and then wanted to pick it up again in half a year, I'm gonna have to struggle to figure out what everything does. But at the same time, it's for personal use. Like, if I was making like a proper open source plugin or something, then yeah, it'd make sense making everything not be one word, one letter variables, but it just makes it easier to understand for people that are reading it. Rather, like, for me, I can kind of understand it already because obviously I've made it, but like, if you're watching this right now, like, you probably don't know what M is, you probably don't know what D is. Like, you know, half of the one letter things make no sense to you, whereas if I put material and data, then it'd make sense, right? So he has a point, but here's the thing, right? Using one letter variables doesn't make you a bad developer, which is, to be fair, the way that you made it out to be. Asking, you should still make everything explain what they do. You don't even know what some things do. What do you mean I don't know what some things do? Such as what? I'm gonna quickly chuck that to a plus. One thing you've got to keep in mind, right, is oh yeah, I can, yeah. Yeah, I do sometimes forget what things do as well, but it just comes down to laziness, really. Some dude's breaking my island. I don't really care. I've got them all saved as schematics already, so what does it matter? M the best dev, what? You sold. Should probably put what item you're selling, huh? M.toString.to lowercase, and that's if d equals 0. What's going on here? I have 2 pluses. And no plus there. Asking, it's a bad habit. Yeah, I'm not going to deny that. It's a bad habit and it's laziness. I'm not going to disagree with you, to be fair, but at the end of the day, it's like the code still works, isn't it? So it don't really matter, really. That's my opinion. That X is really weird to me. I can see like the fucking pixels on it. That's weird. Anyway, you sold. That'd be, for example, that. So we need to do this. Cool. Should be good, right? Have I missed anything? Not that I can think of. And I just want to add a message when you're buying these as well. So call if d 0 product message prefix you sold doesn't matter if you don't really remember what they mean. I mean, I only have to spend like 30 seconds to figure out what they do again, I guess. But I can see your point, honestly. I mean, when it comes to like things like I and P, I always do that, so I always know what they're gonna be. But what the fuck's going on here? That's kind of ironic how the person asking for op once is now hacking, hey. That was fucking loud. You should learn how to make anti-cheats. I never really include anti-cheats on my servers, honestly. I don't like it. It's just like something to falsely ban people, innit? Or spam staff's chats. But then again, that is the purpose of a staff member, I guess, so there's that argument, eh? Theoretically, that should work. And then I really need to get a better way of fucking managing these messages, man. Can I just get a method? Nah. I don't fucking care right now. If you code it correctly, it would full span 99 out of. It won't full span 99 out of 100. I don't know. They're not exactly small projects either, are they? Though. Won't ban you for nothing if you code it correctly. What's this error from? Have I got like too many fucking things? Yeah. Oh, now I've got to check they all fucking line up correctly, innit? What the fuck's that lining up to? What? The fly method, it can ban you if you get glitched in the air. Yeah. Can you get fly? Nah. Got too many fucking brackets somewhere. Fuck's sake, man. Now I've got to fucking spend 10 years figuring this shit out. Brilliant. No, but you could make a bunch of money. Honestly, right? I do this shit for fun, not even really to make tons of money. It's more of a time passer than a money maker, in my opinion. Okay, I think that was where I fucked up. No. What the fuck was I doing again? What was I doing? Oh, messages. Yeah, it was these messages, right? But I've already done that. I know, it's these messages, okay. You should start commenting parts of your code, probably. Oh well. That's something for Ben to worry about another day. I need to add messages to when you buy in as well. And I need to figure out a better way to do this. I need to get a method bucket to vanilla name method. I don't fucking know. Oh, this isn't even what I was thinking about. Ah, well, I'm not going to bother with it now. We'll just stick to this shit, I guess. That can be another thing to worry about another day. In fact, I'm going to just take the lazy route and stop telling you which variation of the item you do. Because it makes this shit look so ugly. As if it doesn't already look ugly. I mean, I made it, so... You know, you can't expect it to look good, can you? But you can't deny that it makes it look 50 times worse. Oh shit, I fucking hate this, man. Every time I open the console I'm just showing people's IPs and I really don't want to be doing that, obviously. Ah, fuck, sorry. All developers code differently, now stop giving him tips on how he codes. Code differently and so be it. I agree with him, but it just means I've got to spend more time on it. And I can understand it if I'm making it an open source project or something, but realistically I wouldn't even normally be streaming something like this. I'm only streaming it because, you know, it adds another layer of something to do on top of it, innit? And it means I can interact with people at the same time. And I'd imagine that, to be fair, for people that don't code, it can be kind of interesting to watch. So, what was I doing? Fuck happened here? Oh yeah, that nuka twat. Alright. I'm just gonna quickly spread it out throughout my inventory a little. So there should be 128 items sold. $128, cool. And let's just check that that calculation's right. 40? 128 times 40? Cool. And it took it all, yeah. Now I just want to get an iron ingot. And I don't have epic rename on here. Cool. Ah, well, I'll test that another day. So, I think that's the base of the shop done, right? I can buy things, I can sell things. That's about it done, right? Wait, why does it say I don't have 2 stone? Oh shit, I need to fix that. Why is it after I middle mouse it, it says I do not have 8 stone? And I need to fix that whole paper thing as well. I do that. Oh shit, I put 5, not 4. Oh shit, I need to add this check. Oh wait, no, that's encases this whole part. Cool. So middle. Oh, because I didn't put that in else. So that I'm right in saying that that's the base of the shop done, right? Now I need to do the whole fluctuation thing. So the way I've done all the pricing is the sell price is 10% of the buy price. So what should the margin for the fluctuation be? I guess for the buy I can do like 50%. And then for the sell I could literally go as high as like 200%. But I don't know, because that might be too much. Because obviously I've got to balance it out a bit, haven't I? I need to turn this shit off. Well, I'll make a method to do the whole fluctuation thing. So I guess I should pretty much just clear the fucking list and hash maps and then regenerate them all. So where's the main island? Shit, no, I'm looking for the wrong thing. I'm looking for island, not solar. So I pretty much just need all of this, except for I don't need that top line because I already know it. So that will load it. Now I need to do the whole fluctuation thing. Okay. So we'll do that here. So what's the best way of doing this, I guess? How do I do a double in range? I actually don't know how. But that's only between 0 and 1. So minimum plus max takeaway minimum times a new double. Okay. I'm probably going to forget that. I've already forgot it. I'm just going to look at that once more so I can remember it. So minimum plus max takeaway minimum, okay. So buy equals, so the minimum will be so we'll just do minus 50% for the price. Nah, that's too much. That's way too much. Got to do like 10% or 20%. I'll make it so I can change it easily. So I'll do double max equals buy plus buy divided by 100 times 10. We'll set it as 10% to start off with. And then double min equals by take away by divided by 100 times 10. Here asking, after I left the end on the survival, it stuck me in the ground at spawn where I can't mine out. What? Which server are you on? Are you on this one or the survival? Are you Deco? Ow, that hurt. But you're in the end. How have you found the end so quickly? Oh yeah, I swear people were saying you were X-raying. Alright, cool. Oh, you logged off. Where are you exactly? Can you kill me? Cheers. I spawned here. Where did you spawn? Why would you spawn underground anyway? I swear Minecraft would surely not allow you to spawn underground. What, like in blocks you're suffocating? Or underground as in a cave? Go into the end portal. Well, I don't know where the end portal is. Oh, right there. 1 second. Okay, fuck off. I don't want to watch all the titles, man. Can I not skip this? Can I actually not? Pressing escape. Cool. Should probably game through in creative, huh? Oh shit, you might fall to your death now, eh? I don't fucking know. Temporary fix. Try join now, maybe? What was it again? It was max takeaway minimum plus minimum times random.next double. That was what it was, wasn't it? And then we need to do the same in cell. I'm going to try that. It can't be that simple though, can it? Nothing's ever that simple. Have you joined back? Are you good? Or I'm gonna comment that instead of delete it, and I'm gonna do new bucket runnable public void run. I'm going to set it to every 10 seconds at first, just to test. Did you just hit yourself with your own arrow? Oh shit, Lati, I didn't realise that. I didn't read that name. Okay, it makes sense now. You're a bit stuck. That's weird that the end port will put you in the ground though. Didn't expect that. Never seen that before or heard of it. Oh shit, no, I can't comment this because now I don't have the shops in the hash map. I can comment some of it though. Actually, I need to remove some of that from the method because some of it's not related to that, innit? Oh shit, I already only copied the related part. No, I didn't. I want to do that, right? Should be good, we hope. Ow! Oh, it wasn't me, I'm in creative, okay. So, that'll set up all that and that'll create all the shops as well. And I can save myself a line. Did you just burn yourself trying to kill? That's revenge, I'm sorry. But that is revenge, to be fair. I need to make sure that the runnable is after that as well. So we do product broadcast. Oh no, we're in the main class. Shop prices are fluctuating. And then what do we do again? For shop in shops? Or is it categories? Oh. Shop.fluctuate. Let's try that, I guess. If that works already, then that was much simpler than I had anticipated. I like how there's 6 people on the survival and I'm not even playing on the survival right now. Oh shit, I didn't think of this. Can I like set world spawn? And I'm just gonna set it a few blocks in the air. Good enough, isn't it? I'll read that in a minute. I'm gonna go test that. So what am I testing? I'm testing the fluctuations. Well, they look pretty random to me. So 31.38. That's quite low. No, it's not. 29.18. 8. What? That's too low. It shouldn't go that low. Why does it go so low? Am I doing this right? Let me just check the calculation again. Minimum plus maximum takeaway minimum. That's what I'm doing, right? Minimum plus max takeaway minimum. So why is that going so low? Because it shouldn't go any lower than 35 or something. Let me open the config so I can see the defaults. So stone shouldn't go any lower than 45. But it definitely goes a lot lower than 45. Huh. That's weird. I'm gonna get... Oh fuck, I need to store the defaults actually, so... So if I'm storing them, I no longer need to go through the config anymore. I can just do I don't want to clear items. Wait, do I already have a set? Yeah, I must. No, I don't. Okay. I'm going to quickly read those two messages. So, I think I should probably set a variable for the fluctuation value rather than calculating it every time it's needed. And I wanted to do I don't need to clear them because it's hash maps. I'm just putting the new data in and it just overrides the old one. And then I can do I'm going to change these to B and S so that they don't override the hash maps. Because then I need to do if buy.get item doesn't equal -1. And then here I need to do sell.get item doesn't equal -1. I shouldn't need them anymore really, because I can just define them in here. Not define. What do you call this when you just put in that? Setting its type? I don't fucking know. And why is this an error? Because I don't put the So I need them like that. I could just do item. So, is this better than it was, right? This is much shorter at least. And then, I'm glad I commented the bit in solar, because I'm going to need it all now. Got to set them like that. So, the fluctuation will instantly be done after, so I'm not going to bother to run that in here. Because that just means that I'll be running it twice for no reason. Fluctuation. Now, here's where I need to figure this out. So fluctuation dot put item. So how do you get something as a percent again? I think it's price divided by the base times 100, right? Well, fuck it, we'll give that a shot and see how that works. Ah, fuck, that's the buy. I need 2 fluctuation hash maps. I'm just gonna give that a test, I guess. What else is there to do, hey? It's a lot of messages, fucking hell. I'm just gonna make it. I need to make it show the fluctuations in here. So I'm gonna get rid of this. No, I can't get rid of that. Oh yeah, I can. say at instead of the symbol. I think the symbol looks kind of stupid personally. Then on this line, we're gonna set the, actually nah, we'll do it on this line, it will look cleaner I think. So I need to make getters for the fluctuation. Public double get by fluctuation. And do I have a material and an ID, or do I have, yeah. Good day to you too. Does anyone other than Australians say good day? That sounds kind of, is that, that's racist, isn't it? Shouldn't say that. Get by, no fuck, by fluctuation by dot get material dot toString, and then just do this again here. Get self. Are you Australian? Is my guess kind of good, or am I just being a bit of a dickhead? So I want to do get by fluctuation, mat and d. If fluc is less than 0, so if it's a negative, else. Yep, you are American. Hey, see? Might be racist, but it was correct. So if it's, this will be negative, fluc, call it decimals to fluc. Sounds like I'm saying fuck every time I say that, eh? Ah well. Hopefully that works. I'm not gonna bother coding the cell one in yet, because might as well see if this works first, eh? I'm gonna quickly have a look through these notifications as well. Huh. Alright. Oh, please work, man. Seriously. Ah, that's not good, is it? shit. Is there an error or yeah? 86 in fluctuate, eh? I guess we do buy.contains key item and sell.contains key. Alright, let's try that instead, eh? Please work. Hey, a fellow YouTuber's got a video, eh? Oh, a stream. You know you have a stream channel, right? Ah, well. So maybe, nope, still not working. No errors either, huh? Shit. Damn it, that's annoying, man. Fuck. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of pissed me off. Fuck. Alright, where do I... If shop.canbuy, how do I do that method? If it contains it, it does contain it. Damn it. Fuck. Wait, do I not add it to the buy hash map? That could be why. No, I do, I set price. Although I might as well just do buy.put item price. And let's just add that as a bit of a measure to see if it's working or not. I'm gonna look through them again quick. Yeah, I was gonna say this definitely wasn't gonna be as easy as I'd have hoped. Still not working. And it's not broadcasting either. I do call the fluctuate method, right? Yeah, I do, because I had errors for it earlier. Yeah. Let's try that. Let's just quickly check if that's even running through the loop or not. I hadn't even been live that long, you know. Feels like it's been a lot longer than that. I don't know why. Damn, a Cooper ain't got many people on. So it is looping through them all. But it's not setting though. Oh, right. I don't add it to the fucking... Right, okay. So I do need to do this in the on-enable. And in that case, I can run this 200 seconds later as well. 200 ticks rather. And where do I do this? Oh, not down there. Down up in here. Oh, I've really got to make fucking setters for them as well. Fuck's sake. Probably shouldn't have closed that class so well. Oh, and I gotta make fucking... Nah, I don't. That's what B needs to be. And then shop.set by fluctuation. And then we need to convert this into that new method as well. So cell need the random for that. And then get rid of this. Okay, let's test that, shall we? Hopefully this works. Have I really been working on the shop for 2 hours almost? I haven't even done that much, you know. Damn. I think this has been one of my not very productive streams again. Oh well. Fuck. Don't even tell me where the error is. Or am I just blind? No, it don't fucking tell me where the error is. So what's the error then? Or am I being stupid? Null. Okay, but what's null? Fuck's sake, man. Not even gonna tell me what. Maybe there's something in startup. A null at setting the price? So does that mean price is null? I guess. One way to find out. I hate that. You have to scroll down just that little bit more. An error on line 89. So why didn't it send those to console though? I know it did. Stone 0. But why didn't it send the price? Or is this the price? That can't be the price. Unless I've fucked up the formula even more. Why did it say startup? So something's null. Probably the price. Price is null, yeah. But how can it be null? Maybe this? Shop the items. Go to Solar 989. Yeah, I know. That's where I already am. Look. Well, that doesn't matter, because that's just a setter. Wait, why is that return it? Oh, okay, actually, yeah, cheers for that, fucking hell. Wait, no. Why is set price a fucking double? Alright, cheers. Fucking hell, I would have been stuck for about 50 years doing that. Alright, maybe now. Read the error message more. Yeah, probably should do that, hey. I normally just look at what line the error's at and then try and figure it out from there, honestly. That's another bad habit I've got, I guess. Yeah, no error. I can see there's only 4 things. It's only found 4 times, so now maybe? But look, why is that at 70? Wait, what's the default for them? That's not even right. I know it's percent. So I need to do 100, take away that to get the actual thing. What did I say I needed to do? Oh. Not 100. Did I say 100? Do I do 100 or the default? I do the default, don't I? And I just thought when you're buying an item, it should be green when it's negative, because obviously you want to buy it when it's low. Shit, no, I literally just fucking... So... I need to think of this, right? So that's 20%, so it's... Yeah, I need to do 100 take away. And would the sell price be the same, or would that... I don't know. I'm not going to edit the sell price for now. I'm just going to figure out the buy price. And why does it fluctuate so much further than it should as well? Because it's only meant to go fit like 10% above or 10% below. So let's think, right? So 50 plus 50 divided by 100. That gets 1% times 10. That's right. I don't see what's wrong with that. Then max take away min plus minimum times double. You know what, let's just try and do it exactly how it was done in that example on the website. It's not going to make a difference though, is it? Is B block value? B is, let's have a look. Where's B? Oh, B is the default buy value, default price. And why is it only fluctuating stone as well? Plus minus, that's not good. What's the default? The default for stone is 50. Well, that's not even changing, is it? Is there an error? There sure is. Fluctuate gives null on 998. Do I not set that? I thought I did. No, I don't even have a setter for it, so I must have not. Or do I do that in item? Add item. Yeah, I do. Default buy and default sell. Oh shit, they're -1. So that's got to be wrong. Why did I switch from commenting it to... Why did I switch back to doing it in the onEnable rather than just having the fluctuate method again? Because I seriously can't remember why I did that. So let's try taking a bit of a fucking different approach. I don't remember, because I was gonna do that originally and then I changed from it. And the problem is, I don't remember why I changed from it. But I know there was definitely a reason for it. And now that I think about it, I need to quickly set that to 0. Alright, let's have a look. Okay. No errors on startup at least. And now we have that again. Fuck's sake, man. And this is why I switched back to that in the first place, but I can't remember why after thinking about it again. I know why. I remember why. We can just temporarily do this. Oh shit, no. I need to fucking... I should fix it, right? I mean... I just thought that I don't even need to fucking do that. Much easier way of doing this. So, instead of buy, do default buy. And instead of sell, do default sell. And then down here, default buy and default sell. Give that a shot. In my mind, this will work. Then again, doesn't everything work in my mind if I want it to? If it wants to say I'm streaming or not. Well, that's better than what I had. Than what it was. Although it's above in everything. No, it's below on that one. Right, well, we're getting somewhere. And then just check it is changing. It sure is. Although that's not right. That wasn't right, I don't think. You got scammed on Akuma. I don't have any permissions on Akuma. Talk to Mead, even though I hear that he can be quite ignorant, eh? It doesn't completely work yet. There's still something that... Are you trying to tell me that 0.5 is 4% of... It could be actually, couldn't it? So here's the thing, I just need to fix these numbers. I can just do that by minus 100, right? I think. And then I just need to fix this in here as well. Yeah? I see my name in chat, even though it's going to take a while. Remove the debug messages. Yeah, I will, not yet, not this second. Actually, I might as well do it now. Done. And I just want to replace the minus character with nothing, because that looks fucking stupid. Where's that warning coming from? Oh, it'll be an import, won't it? Okay, good luck. Once this works, I'm ending it as well, so if this seems to work, then it's farewell. Alright, so that's not right. $125 is not 8% of 50. Not a fucking chance. And 4 isn't. Actually, it is. But why is that red? That should be green because it's above instead of below. And that time it's... That is right though. Is this right, or... So it's red, so it should be a bit above, because you're buying. No, I didn't, because think, right, you're buying it. You're buying it, so when you're buying something, you want to buy it when it's lower. So if it's below 50, then the color is green instead of red. Like now, it's above 50, so it's red. I'm gonna get some characters for up and down. That looks so stupid though. I'm I'm gonna need a different one. Fuck it, we'll use them. Not gonna make it bold. You're gonna have to switch it on. So yeah, I know. So here is up. No, here is up. And here is down. This is fine, right? Do these figures look right to you? They look pretty good to me. Well, let's just check. Okay, I am using the right methods for the prices. Yeah, seems fine, right? Now I just got to do the sell bit. It should be more than... Huh? No, red, if red is higher... No, but it's like... The price is down. And this is the price is up. I need to remove the percent. No, I don't need to remove the percent. Did I already code everything for the sell thing? Seems so. Alright, let's give that a shot. Don't know if I threw the plugin in, so I'll just throw it in a second time. Well, that didn't open, so that's going to be an error. Cell fluctuation is null. Why is that? Oh shit, because I put it in buy, not sell. It's because of the emojis. No, it's not. They're just in the strings. That's fine, right? I think. Okay, I'm going to look at coal instead, because that's 100, so that's easy to figure out. That looks perfectly right to me. I have one question. Would it make more sense for the buy price and the sell price to fluctuate at the same time? Or should I keep them separate? Make it so it saves the price and on disable. Nah, I'm not gonna bother. It's gonna change every like hour or something anyway. And realistically, I'm not gonna be restarting every 10 seconds, so it don't really matter. I'm just gonna take the easy route. Same time. Would it make sense for them to have the same value? Like, if the buy price, for example, is up 6%, should the sell price also be up 6%? Or should they be separate? Because right now they're separate. Same. Oh fuck, I just closed the fucking chat on my phone without thinking. Now, do I just save that for tomorrow? Because I don't know if I can be bothered to do that right now, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna save that for tomorrow. Alright. I'm gonna call this at the end then. So yeah. I'll catch you in the next stream.